number 23 reads, a student claims that nitrogenous bases pair randomly with one another. So that is the main argument here. And it says, which of the following statements in the passage contradicts the student's claim? And they give us a bunch of line choices. So this tells us this is a command of evidence problem. It's a little different from the typical one we see because it's not paired with the question before, but it's actually in regards to the beginning of the question. So let's go ahead and first identify where all these lines are, and then we can make a call on which one is contradicting the student's statement. So lines 5 through 6, letter choice A, I'll go ahead and mark in the orange, and that's right here where it starts with, to each sugar is attached a nitrogenous base, which can be of 4 different types. So each sugar has a base which has 4 different types. And then I'll go to answer choice B, which is lines 9 through 10. And that says right here, so far as known, the sequence of bases along the chain is irregular. And then I'll go ahead and mark letter C with the purple. That's lines 23 to 25. And that says the bases are joined together in pairs, a single base from one chain being hydrogen bonded to a single base from the other. And then finally, I'll mark letter choice D in this brown, lines 27 to 29. It says one member of a pair must be a purine and the other a pyrimidine in order to bridge between the two chains. So we're looking for one that's saying that this is not random. In letter choice A, it doesn't really tell us much. It just says that there's 4 different types, so that doesn't really provide us with a lot of information there. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of letter choice A. B, lines through 10, it says it's irregular, so it's not really saying that it's not random or there's some kind of design to it. Letter choice C in the purple, it says that they're joined together, but again, it's not really talking about the nitrogenous pairs. It's kind of talking about how the chains are held together. So we're going to settle on to answer choice D, and then we can see that it says there's a very specific structure with how these nitrogens form together. It's that one purine and one pyrimidine have to come together. So that proves that this is not a random occurrence, but there's something that's going on there. So we're going to be left with letter D as our answer.